But 42 years in the business of doing concerts, singing. Yung mga sumisikat ngayon like SB19, okay ka ba? Makikin ka ba makipag-collab with you?
Oh, wow. With SB19
SB19
or PDD or something like that. Can you imagine having me there? Ano ko, chaperone?
Why?
No, definitely. If they, like I said earlier, if they ask me, I mean, what an honor. They don't need us anymore to fill up venues or to. But when they ask you to guest, it's for another reason. And that for me is very respectful of the new singers of the day. That they want to have the likes of a Martin or a Carrie or a Jaja or a Regina or Ollie. You know, all of us, we're just waiting. If you need our help, we're here, you know. So I would be honored to be with PG Barlow or SB19 and Beanie, any of the groups. I don't know what I'll do. But I would love to.
Thank you, Masha.
Thank you.
Si Oki lang.
Yes, ma'am.
Sa SK19 members ba, Oki, would you be willing to do a David Foster to any of them since?
Oo naman, magaling gumawa ng mga yun.
Yeah, they work very hard.
They're so good at arranging and reimagining and and doing lyrics and I remember the time when we were still starting kami, we would use pen and paper and tape recorder. That's what we used to do. But now,
They use their cell phone, do they?
exactly. I think with the help of technology and because of everybody's a producer, everybody's a songwriter, everybody's an arranger. It's amazing, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy that sa Billboard charts natin and top 10 is always OPM.
Yes. I'm telling you, OPM has never been more alive than right now. It's good to be in this industry.
Thank you.
Thank you.